me on a long metro ride home. There's nobody on this but me, and that normally doesn't happen very much. So when I get a chance like this, I have to take advantage of it and take a little shot. Remind myself that it's nice to have a little bit of personal space. So enjoy the ride for a few seconds. My life in Washington, D.C. It certainly has changed a lot from the grassy areas of Wyoming and the wide open spaces. You have entered my life.
Press back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. Step back, doors closing.
Join me on this journey. Glad to have you along for the ride.